Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best Gemini recurring buy strategy. So let's quickly dive into it. If you want to grow your crypto holding steadily on Gemini, the smartest move is to set up recurring buys. Choose a fixed amount of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any supported coin to purchase daily, weekly, or monthly. This lets your dollar cost average your way into the market, reducing the impact of short-term pricing swing. And also pair recurring buys with stable funding method like ACH or wire transfer to avoid delay, and stick with coin you believe in long time. The strategy is simple, hand-off, and effective for building crypto over time. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more quick crypto strategy, and comment which coin you are planning to buy regularly. And that's it.